How to disable guest mode in your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable guest mode in your Google Chrome browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you can see, guest mode in your Google browser allows you to view anything in your browser, but the history won't get saved, or they won't be able to leave traces or track or even leave cookies on your computer after you close this guest. So if anyone else is using your computer, you can actually give them this guest browser. But if you don't want this guest and you want to disable it, what you do is you actually open up your command prompt. So open up your command prompt, simply search for CMD, and what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in this code right here. So just copy this code. I'll be sure to add it in the description down below. So just add this code here, hit enter, and after doing that, your guest browser mode will be disabled. Now if it's disabled, if it's already enabled, it will get disabled. If it's disabled, it will get enabled. So yeah, that is how you do it, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.